What are birds? Hello, young explorers! Get ready to soar into the amazing world of birds. Birds are incredible creatures with feathers, wings, and beaks. They can fly high in the sky, sing beautiful songs, and come in all colors and sizes. Some birds, like eagles, are big and strong, while others, like hummingbirds, are tiny and fast. Birds live all over the world, in forests, deserts, and even your backyard. They have special features like sharp claws, colorful feathers, and super strong beaks to help them eat, build nests, and talk to each other. Here, we'll meet a bird for every letter of the alphabet, from A to Z. Each bird will teach you new words and fun facts. Are you ready? Let's spread our wings and fly into the alphabet of birds. Characteristics of birds. Feathers, soft, colorful coverings that keep birds warm and help them fly. Wings, most birds use wings to fly, but some, like penguins, use them to swim. Beaks, birds have beaks instead of teeth to eat food like seeds, bugs, or fish. Eggs, birds lay eggs with hard shells where baby birds grow. Songs and calls, birds use sounds to talk to each other, warn of danger, or sing for fun. A is for albatross. The albatross is a giant seabird that loves the ocean. It has long, strong wings that help it glide over waves for hours without stopping. Its feathers are white or gray, and it has a sharp, hooked beak to catch fish. Amazing facts! An albatross can fly thousands of miles without landing. Its wings can be as wide as a car, up to 11 feet. Albatrosses do a funny dance to find a partner. Albatross, albatross, soaring so high. Gliding with wings that touch the sky. Over the ocean, you dance with the breeze. Tell us your story, O bird of the seas. B is for blue jay. The blue jay is a bright, clever bird with blue and white feathers. It lives in forests and backyards. Its strong beak cracks nuts, and it loves to chatter loudly. Amazing facts about blue jays. Blue jays can mimic the sounds of other birds, like hawks. They hide food in secret spots to eat later. Their blue feathers shine like the sky. Blue jay found a shiny acorn in the forest. Mine, he squawked, hiding it under a leaf. His friend Sparrow chirped, share. Blue jay laughed, okay. They shared the acorn, chattering happily under the bright autumn sun. C is for cardinal. The cardinal is a bright red bird with a pointy crest on its head. It sings loud, cheerful songs. Its beak is strong for eating seeds. Amazing facts about the cardinal. Male cardinals are red, but females are brown with red touches. They sing to protect their home. Cardinals stay in one place all year, even in winter. Cardinal, red as a rosy dawn. Sings sweet songs from dusk to morn. With a crest so bold, in trees he'll stay. brightening gardens every day. D is for dove. The dove is a gentle bird with soft gray feathers. It coos softly and has a small beak for eating seeds. Doves love to fly in pairs. Amazing facts about doves. Doves are symbols of peace. They can find their way home from far away. Their coo sounds like a lullaby. Dove cooed softly in the quiet meadow, clutching a tiny olive branch. "Peace," she whispered to Sparrow. They flew together, sharing the branch, spreading calm over the sunny fields, their gentle wings glowing in the warm light. E is for eagle. The eagle is a powerful bird with sharp eyes and a hooked beak. Its brown feathers and white head, in some types, make it look majestic. Amazing facts. Eagles can see fish from miles away. They build huge nests high in trees. An eagle's talons are as strong as a bear's. Eagle perched on a towering cliff, eyes scanning the shimmering river below. "Fish," he cried, wings slicing the air. Diving swiftly, his talons snatched the prize. Soaring back to his lofty nest, he shared the fish with his chicks, their happy cries echoing under the golden sunset sky. F is for flamingo. The flamingo is a tall, pink bird with long legs and a curved beak. It loves to stand in water and eat tiny shrimp. Amazing facts about flamingo. Flamingos turn pink from the food they eat. They can stand on one leg for hours. They dance in groups to find friends. Flamingo, pink as a sunset glow, dances in water, graceful and slow. With long legs and beak so fine, in shimmering lakes, you brightly shine.